Alright, hello everyone. I know I haven't made a video in a very long time, but I actually managed to find a whiteboard in this place that I'm staying, and I bought a marker to help me make this lesson while I'm also traveling. But yeah, this is probably like one of the few videos that I'll make while I'm traveling. I know I'll try to make some more if I can find topics to talk about, but this topic for this video is estimation using mga. Alright, estimation using mga. Now we know mga functions as a pluralizer, right? To pluralize whatever we want to talk about. But we also can use it as we can also use mga to function as an estimator, and this is the example sentences that I wrote down are just ways to help you idealize, I guess, or realize how this estimation is used. Now in English we have estimation as well, right? We can say words like about, approximately, more or less, those kind of adverbs, they function as estimation. In Cebuano, we also have estimation, and we use mga to express that. Things like about, surely, maybe, approximately, those kind of estimating words. And this is how mga functions as an estimator word, okay? This first sentence I have, and I only have two examples. So this first sentence I have is, the first question is, kanusa maglarga ang abyon, right? When will the airplane, ang abyon, right? Abyon is airplane. When is the airplane gonna depart? Maglarga. Larga is the verb for any passenger vehicle to depart or to leave. When will the plane depart, or when will it leave? The answer is, kuan, mga 30 minutos pa. About, or maybe 30 more minutes, right? So in about 30 more minutes, right? So you have 30 more minutes until the plane departs. And mga expresses that about 30 minutes, or approximately 30 minutes, mga blah 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 minutos, mga. So it has that estimating sense, right? That estimator word sense. Kuan I already talked about, right? It's a filler word. And the last sentence I have here is, pila ka kilometro pagpadulong sa Londres kung gikan dinhi, right? Pila ka kilometro pagpadulong sa Londres kung gikan dinhi. How many kilometers is it to arrive to London if I'm coming from here, or if I'm originating here, right? So how many kilometers is it to go to London if I'm coming, or if I'm originating from here? And the answer is mga 52 siguro. So maybe, or about 52 surely, right? About 52 surely, or maybe, or approximately 52 kilometers surely, right? Mga 52 siguro. So it can, as you can see, it has that kind of connotation to be used as an estimator word, right? Estimation using mga. And down here I also wrote, just to review, right, that you can use this when you want to estimate things like time, quantity, distance, and whatever that's measurable. Anything that's just measurable whatsoever. But definitely it has to have some sort of quantity, right? So like time, distance, if like weight, you can do that too, because weight is measurable. Things that are very countable, that just has some sort of numerical estimation in it, you can use it. All right.